Hello, Happy New Year to everyone. Today we will try to build 12 volts power supply. So this is the schematic, and we will build the rectifier first, and then yeah, we will solder the rectifier. So we have here IN 4007 diode. So we have to get 4 of this to make a bridge rectifier. And then we will connect to the transformer. So take note the orientation of connection of transformer to bridge rectifier. And then we will add some filter capacitor. So 1000 microfarad 25 volts electrolytic capacitor for filter. And then we will measure the output voltage of the rectifier and the output voltage after the rectifier. So fix the soldering connection. So this is a typical 12 volts power supply with transformer. So we will measure the output voltage on the rectifier to determine the voltage across the bridge rectifier. So this is a basic electronic components of power supply, from AC to DC transformation to rectification and filtering. So most of all power supply is built like in this connection. So take note the orientation of the filter capacitor. It is parallel to the output of the rectifier. So we have here 19 volts, and so if a 12 volts AC from the output of the transformer is rectified to DC, so it goes higher, but it is a DC voltage because it comes out from the bridge rectifier. Now to lower down the voltage to in its desired output, so we have to get some output of at least 12 volts or smaller. We paralleled a resistor, This is a 150 kilo ohms resistor, 1/4 watts. So we will check the output when we finish the mounting of the resistor. So because we want some voltage smaller than 19 volts, we add some just one resistor, and then we will check if the output voltage gets lower down. So this is the basic elements of power supply, how to rectify, change to DC voltage from EC, and filtering, and then lowering down the voltage. So we got 11.558 voltage across the resistor. So this is the basic electronic connection of a power supply. So this is the schematic, and you can experiment if you want to go further from this schematic to regulation or to your desired output.